Hello friends, welcome to Siva's Samail. Today let us see how to prepare yummy chicken using conventional oven. For this recipe I am using chicken drumsticks or leg pieces here. You can use whichever you prefer. But if you are using boneless chicken, it would be good to use bigger size pieces. First, use a knife and make small slits on the chicken pieces as seen here. This will allow the marination to soak into the meat. Also, this makes the chicken very flavorful and delicious when cooked. Next comes the important step, cleaning the chicken. For this, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of sea salt to the chicken and smear it on all of the pieces evenly and allow it to stay for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Longer you allow it to stay, better it cleanses. Now wash it with cold water at least 2 to 3 times thoroughly. Drain all the excess water and keep the meat aside. Next, let us prepare the marinade. I am using 2 tablespoons of thick yogurt, plain yogurt. Crushed sea salt as required for the amount of chicken. Then half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of my sambar powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You might be wondering what my sambar powder is doing in a chicken marination. I use this sambar powder in many of my recipes because it is so flavorful with a lot of spices included in it. Check out the description section for the sambar powder recipe link. And if you don't want to add the sambar powder, you can as well just add a little bit of coriander powder. You can use any oil of your choice for this marinade. I have used olive oil here. Mix the marinade thoroughly and add it to the washed chicken. Apply the marinade on the chicken pieces evenly. Allow the marinated chicken for at least 2 to 3 hours to get a flavorful and delicious chicken. I have even left it overnight in the refrigerator. You can always alter the spices according to your spice level and preferences. Grease an oven plate with oil and place the chicken on it. Make sure you give little space between each piece. Sprinkle some oil on top of the chicken as well. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oven is preheated and ready, place the chicken inside the oven and bake for 20 minutes. Then flip it to the other side and bake for another 20 minutes. Then finally, turn the setting to broil for 2 to 4 minutes. This step is very important as this makes the chicken roasted and crispy. Oven roasted yummy chicken is now ready. Hope you enjoy this recipe as much as my friends and family who have so far. I have given my blog links in the description section. Please do check that out. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please press like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you soon again.